Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how to test your battery with a pretty standard multimeter. This is one you can get, I think it's like $5 to $10 at Harbor Freight. Basically you want to put it on your battery, red to red, black to black. You should get something around 12.4 volts. And the next thing you're going to want to do is turn your lights on. Leave them on for about 2 minutes. That'll take any surface charge off the battery. If it goes down, it's not a good sign. And then we'll start the car once we've taken that surface charge off. If it drops below 10, that means the battery's going bad. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn on the lights and I'll get back with you guys. All right, so with just the headlights on, it went down to 9.49, which is not a good sign. So this is definitely a bad battery here. We're going to see if it'll start. It wouldn't start for me yesterday and I charged it up overnight. That's why I got that surface charge back on there. But let me put the camera here at an angle so that we can see the voltimeter or the multimeter. 9.55. Let's see if I can reposition this at all. Looks like I lost it here. So we're at 9.53. Let's try and start the car. See if it'll even start with this low of a battery. So it did start. So maybe the battery's just starting to die. It's going to 13.8, which means it's hard to say if it's taking a full charge. Let me know what you guys think. This is how you test the battery. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll catch you all later. So I did review the footage and I saw it dropped all the way down to 5. So this is a 5-year-old battery. I definitely need to replace it. Thanks for watching, guys. This was how you test it. Basically, since it dropped less than 10 there, definitely needs to be replaced, especially after I charged it up all night. It's not really working, not holding a charge. That means if it's dropping below 10, that means the cold cranking amps, which is how much it draws at startup, they just aren't there anymore. It's not working very well. But I got 5 years out of this battery. This was the battery that came with the truck. And again, thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these multimeters on Amazon. They're real helpful. Make sure you set it to 20 DCV when you're testing the battery here. And that's how you test it. There's a lot of different modes that you can test it with. But again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all next time.